Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Today, I'm going to share about Shopify versus WordPress, which is the best e-commerce platform for you in 2025. If you are planning to start an online store, chances are you have come across these two giants, Shopify and WordPress, with WooCommerce. Both are powerful, but they serve very different types of uses. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs best. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform designed for beginners and busy entrepreneurs. It provides hosting, a drag-and-drop builder, payment gateways, inventory tools, and even 24/7 support all under one roof. You don't need to worry about coding or servers. WordPress, on the other hand, is a content management system that becomes an e-commerce platform when you install the WooCommerce plugin. It offers complete customization and flexibility, but requires you to handle hosting, themes, plugins, and sometimes even a bit of coding. Now let's get to the key features comparison. We have in here ease of use. Shopify has quick setup, user-friendly dashboard, no tech knowledge required, while WordPress has a steeper learning curve but unlimited control. Let's also check on design and customization. For Shopify, it has professional templates, but deep customization requires coding, while for WordPress, thousands of free and premium themes, complete design freedom. Now let's also check on features and plugins of them. For Shopify, it has built-in tools like abandoned cart recovery, analytics, and shipping integrations, while for WordPress, it has WooCommerce plus thousands of plugins for SEO, marketing, and custom features. Let's also check on the pricing. Shopify starts at $29 per month, but apps and transaction fees can add up to that. Now let's also check on WordPress. Hosting can be as low as $5 to $10 per month, but premium plugins and themes can increase the costs. Now let's also get to SEO and marketing. For Shopify, it has solid SEO options but limited compared to WordPress. For WordPress, with plugins like Yoast or Rank Math, you get full SEO control, making it the best choice if content marketing is key. Let's also check on the support and scalability between the two of them. For Shopify, it has 24/7 dedicated support and automatic scaling, while for WordPress, it has community support plus hosting provider assistance, but you manage more on your own. Now let's also check on the pro tips now for all this. Choose Shopify if you want a simple, reliable, and beginner-friendly store that you can launch in days, while you choose WordPress if you want maximum customization, better SEO control, and you don't mind handling some technical setup. Think long-term as well. Shopify saves you time, while WordPress saves you money and offers more freedom. In conclusion, so here's the verdict between them. Shopify has ease and speed, while WordPress has flexibility and power. The best platform depends on your goals, budget, and technical comfort level. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.